This basketball court was built in Southampton, New York. Is made into a custom size. It has a 3-point line, but it's just shrunk to fit the area that the homeowner wanted to make the basketball court. We installed Mateflex tiles over asphalt base. We use the top court style for the border. We use the red tile for the inlay. Over the court, we used a navy blue tiles and royal blue for the keys. The court was also striped with white lines. We installed Dominator 72 inches basketball hoop. This hoop is adjustable, and we surround the court with out of bounds netting on 3 sides. We also built a Kamado wood wall for aesthetics to keep the ball from going the other side. The netting would have been sufficient, but this wall was built mostly for aesthetics. We surround the court with a 1 foot wide synthetic turf fringe. Gives the court a nice finished framed look. This is the latest basketball court installation with the Mateflex tile, built by Gappsi in Southampton, New York.